Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the Sony headphones with your MacBook. Okay, so first of all we have to focus on the right headphone and we have to use this button and click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. So let's make it right now. Okay, let's make it one more time. Okay, right now the device is in the pairing mode, so we have to go for the settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and then select your Sony headphones, click on it once, and as you can see right now we are connected. And that's all for this video. If you find helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.